Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video, we will explain the timetable for your online lectures and also the details of how to join the classroom. In the first session, here is your timetable, which shows your classes will continue from Monday till Friday, and there will be 3 classes per day. And on your screen, the official timetable is shown. Let's take the details for Monday classes. So on Monday, your first class will start from 10 to 11, and during this session, there will be first your online lesson followed by your question answer sessions. When your maths class is over at 11, then there will be the second class of chemistry or the accounts. Both classes will run parallel for the science and business students separately. And when the second class is over, then the third and last class will start from 12 and it will continue till 1 p.m. In the same way, you must note your timetable for Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday, and there will be no classes on Saturday and Sunday. In the morning at 10 a.m. when you are ready for your classes, open your computer a few minutes earlier than your class time and make sure that your computer has connected internet service. And also before the class starts, you must open your Zoom ID, and on this page you should provide your email ID and the password, and you must be signed in into the Zoom before the start of the class. When it is 10 a.m., you will receive a video meeting call from Classic School that will appear on your mobile phone as you can see on the screen, or it can be on your laptop in the form of this screen. You have to click on this green button to accept this call, and then you will be connected to that live classroom session. During its connectivity, it will show you, please wait, the meeting host will let you in soon. You have to wait for a few moments and then you will be directed to the class where the live lecture of your teacher is starting or it is continuing. For the next 30 or 40 minutes, your lesson will continue, and as per consultation with your teachers, we have decided that during the lesson, all of your mics will be mute and you will only listen to the lecture and view the lecture until the lesson is over. When this lesson is over, your call will be disconnected, and within a few minutes there will be another call for you in the same manner as you can see on your screen. You have to accept it again, and that will take you to the question and answer session. Now you have two options. You can either talk to your teacher for your question, or you can write your questions in the chat room that teacher will read and answer them. It's up to your choice, but there is a method to follow either of your option. If you want to write your questions, you can see on your screen there is an option called chat. You should click on this chat and then this chat room will open, and there you can see you must write your question here, like what is the value of a in the given equation, and you should click the send button, and in this form your question will be posted privately to the teacher. Privately means that your question cannot be read by the other students of the class. It is only readable and to be answered by the teacher only. If you want to have a vocal contact with the class and you want to ask your teacher about your question, then there is fourth option in this window where you can see raise hand. Click on this raise hand and it will show the teacher that you want to talk to the teacher. Here you can see a blue hand will be shown on the screen of the teacher that conveys your message that you want to talk. The teacher will unmute your mic and then the teacher will call you to go on with your question, and you can speak to your teacher and then the teacher will answer your questions. So in this way, all the questions of all the teachers will be answered until we reach the end of this Q&A session and your class will be disconnected once again. When This activity has proceeded from 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. Then at 11 a.m. this will be restarted right from the call again, where the teacher from the maths will be changed with the teacher of physics, and the entire activity will be repeated in the same manner, and similarly for the third class, and again for the all other weekdays you will follow the same procedures. Now we come to the final activity of your lecture. When your lesson is over and when your question and answers are over, we will deliver a worksheet for that lesson that will appear in your chat box, as you can see in the last row of this window. A chemistry worksheet of 60 kilobytes is shown. This is a worksheet that is based on the questions from the lesson that you have received. You must click and download this worksheet into your local computer and save it. When you open this worksheet, you can see there is a header like your monthly assessments, there are questions, and there is space for your answers. You must solve this worksheet, and once you have answered your questions, then as you can see under the box of your details, send the solved worksheet to sessions via email. You are provided with the email of the teacher, and what you have to do is attach this worksheet in the email and send directly to your teacher. The teacher will receive it and mark this worksheet and reply to your email with your marks in that worksheet, and these marks will be recorded in the school as your daily activity and work details. If you have missed your lesson due to some reasons, those lectures will be available on YouTube, and you can attend them later at the time of your convenience. We will provide you those links once these lessons are completed for that day.